My grandmother, Donna Hofsas, and her husband, Fred, started the hotel in 1947, so it's 70 years that we've been in business, which is something to be very proud of. My name is Carrie Tice. I'm the president and general manager of the Hofsas House Hotel here in Carmel-by-the-Sea, California. Our theme is casual European elegance with the warmth of family hospitality. And we really enjoy greeting people and allowing them to stay here with us so they can enjoy this beautiful village in a forest, Carmel-by-the-Sea. Now we have 38 rooms. Every room is decorated uniquely. If people want something poolside, we can offer that. If they want a king with the fireplace, we can be sure that they can get that. We want to be sure that we put them in the room that best suits them for their needs. We enjoy having dogs also come visit us in our rooms. And of course, if you still have to stay connected, we do offer free Wi-Fi. We're one of the few hotels in Carmel that have a meeting space that includes a fireplace and a full kitchen, and it seats about 40. The beautiful thing is you can walk everywhere from the hotel. The business district is only 3 blocks away. Beautiful white sand beach is 8 blocks away. So you walk everywhere once you park in our off-street parking. We enjoy greeting people from all around the world that come and realize that Carmel is a special and magical place to stay.